Hey everybody, this video is about the magical properties of copper. It was recorded at the online Morgan's Call retreat. I hope you enjoy it.
We look at copper, you've got, I look at it very much as being energized, right? Energetic. I will also look at how things are used mundanely, right? Bunny ears, mundanely, and a lot of time it transfers very much magically to me. We have copper running through our homes, right? Apartments, whatever. It carries current, right? We have copper wiring. We're surrounded by it, and we don't even realize it. So it's very much a healing. I look at it as flowy, because it has a very low melting point. Kind of almost has a blood feel to me, especially if you temper it, right? You flame kiss it. It has this kind of reddish, kind of purple. It reminds me of blood. It's very healing. I think even in certain cultures they drink out of copper vessels a lot, just for that reason. I find it very comforting. It's a metal that it's soothing. For the healing, I think there's a majesty to it, and even I have found it to have a gentle wisdom as well.